Hi, Eli. I thought that this might be the best way to help you out. So here's what you need to do in order to find the Flipgrid assignment. Number one, you have to come here to announcements. You need to come here to the announcements button, click that, and you should see announcements pop up. What you need to find is RLD dot Thursday, April 2nd dot whole class. So this is the day that I assigned the Flipgrid video. So click on that. You'll see that you have a link for today's agenda. Well, that was April 2nd, but go ahead and click that because that's where you're going to find the assignment itself. Okay, and then this is our agenda for that day. Now, as I mentioned before, anything that was highlighted in neon green had to do with the Flipgrid assignment. So anyway, go ahead and click here for the quiz assignment. So when you click here, you can read all of this. These are your directions. And then if you click in this button here where it says Load Unit 8, Organic Chemistry Unit Quiz, RLD in a new window, you click here, and then it will take you directly to Flipgrid. This is the only way that you should access Flipgrid. Don't go to flipgrid.com because it's not going to let you in. So you have to go through Canvas. And then you can watch my video. I kind of tee that up for you and give you some instruction. Here's your tip to prepare your responses to your quiz questions ahead of time. Now you might be wondering, well, where are my quiz questions? In order to find that, you have to go to your inbox in Canvas. So if you come back to the Canvas page, click on your inbox, and I sent out everybody's quiz questions. So your quiz questions are different from everybody else's. And you've got to find the email that I sent you, click on that, and there's an attachment there. I think that you also get an email in your school email as well. So in order for you to see those questions, you're going to have to go to your inbox or to your email. And then you've got two questions. So go ahead, answer them, prepare a presentation, and then you're going to answer the questions orally while they are recorded in Flipgrid. And basically, what you have to do, it says this topic is automatically generated from Canvas assignment, which is what we did. We accessed this through Canvas. Click the green plus to record a video and submit your assignment. So once you've got your questions prepared, or I should say your answers to those questions prepared, then you need to come back here, click on the green plus sign, and then you can record and submit your video. So that's it, Eli. I hope that helps.